Greetings, friends and family. Welcome to the unboxing and first look review. Something I never owned before. And it's quite rare to get because LGB doesn't make those anymore. I was lucky to find one on eBay at the reasonable price from USA, the United States of America. The package fits quite well. This is like playing pass for parcel. I could get sweets every time I tear this thing open. Or candy if you live in America. We're British, we get to call them sweets in the UK. Are you ready for this? And voila! There is the birthday box fan. Made by well-known brand LGB. Having a good look at the box. Now, there it is, out of the box. Now I put the box to the one side at the moment, out of the way. And now the main attraction. The box car itself. We call them box fans in the UK. What's this, more accessories? Maybe don't bother with those. Oh yes, removable roof to get your electronics and stuff. The brains of the capsule. Please to note it's got sliding doors as well as removable roof as I mentioned. Well, it's a bit dusty when it's first arrived in some people's hands. It still has a nice decoration on each side. Plug the battery in. it's a little bit stiff. Maybe it's because it's never been used for this. Now, moment of truth. Now will it play music? Well, it should be playing music by now. After I plugged the battery in. Where on earth it gets its power from? It's not coming from the wheels. They're all plastic. I'm sure they're fresh batteries. It can't be. It must be getting its power from these leads. It comes with it. Come on, work! I just had you! You can't be faulty after you come from America. This is ridiculous. Looks like I've wasted my money on the gimmicky piece of junk that doesn't even work. Well, folks, how many times I get this thing to work? It doesn't work. It's broken. Unless I'm powering it from a different power supply. From the mains. I'll try using the train controller from the train sets. Do not try this at home unless you know what you're doing. If that doesn't work, looks like I'm gonna run it without sound. gonna take back everything I said about this box fan. All it needs is a higher voltage. Before I run it round the tracks, I'm gonna show all the modifications I've done for it. I made a temporary coupling hook for a locomotive of my choice. Do you remember those wires used to get its power from a train controller? I've made it to power off the RC battery. I normally use that battery to power my battery-powered locomotives. I got this one from my James. I plugged the V9 battery to maximize the voltage it needs. That's why I need both batteries to power it, or it's not going to work at all with one battery alone. Now I'm gonna stop talking and let you see it in action. Well folks, that's have to do it for now. If you like this video, please considering subscribing for more videos and turn on notification. The bell icon next to the subscribe button, so you get notified for more new videos, such as this one, this unique one. And I'm gonna do a little update on my Roundhouse Lady Anne right next to me. It's 5 months old now, and it hasn't broken down once when I first got it. Straight from the factory from Doncaster, where they used to make 2 world famous steam locomotives, such as the Flying Scotsman and Mallard, were built by Sir Nigel Gresley, the chief mechanical engineer for the LNER. Well, that's all I got to say for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your rest of your day. And over and out. See ya. those who are wondering, today is not my birthday. I'm just wearing this hat for the purpose of making this video.